My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi everyone, Glama here. So I just wanted to show you, I just got done making the dark parts of my hair. Dark all the way throughout. I took out the dyed silver part, so just the bottom is different. Everything on the top is still the same. I just took out all the dyed silver out of my hair. Looks more brown down here on the bottom because I'm gonna kind of take it step by step to get it to my natural dark hair color right here. But because it was so dyed silver, I thought I would go with like a brown. It's a work in progress. Eventually I'll get it to the black and silver that my hair naturally is. Kind of has a little bit of a tinge of green though, but now I can just let my natural grays grow out. But I had noticed that my hair was predominantly dark in the back with just a few silver highlights, so I thought, well, let me make the dark parts dark and let the silvers grow out. So I'm going to turn around so you can see it all. Alright, so I just didn't want you to be shocked. Next time that you see me, I'm not going to have the super silver hair on the bottom. And I know I don't look very good right now because I'm in the middle of a chemical peel, a TCA 13 peel, and this is day 5, and so I'm really peeling. I don't have any face makeup on, I just have eyes and lips because with this chemical peel you really can't put any face makeup on after day like 4 on. But I wanted to throw this in really quick just to show you that Glama looks a little different. Alrighty guys, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Bye-bye. Mwah.
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.